To make this headband, you need 2 colors. If you want to make it like mine, if you want to use 1 thick yarn or 1 yarn, it's okay as long as you use the correct hook that goes with it. I'm using these 2. This one is Karen Cake in the color cream, and it's this fuzzy cute yarn. And this one, oh my god, I fell in love with this yarn. And I am using 7mm hook. Remember, you just need to use the hook that goes with your yarn. So we start by making a slip knot on your hook, and then we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in the very first chain you made, the very first stitch, you are going to insert and pull the yarn and pull through. That's the slip stitch. And now we have a circle, and we are going to put stitches in here in that circle. So I'm going to chain 1. It's really hard to see with this yarn. Here we are going to put 6 single crochets here. Okay, so we chained 1, and now we are going to put 6 single crochets in here. 1, 2, and 6. And now we are going to slip stitch at the very first single crochet we made. So I'm going to insert, pull the yarn, and pull through, and now we have like this cute circle. And now we chain 30. 1, 2. Now that we chained 40, this is how your work would look like. And now we start working on the actual headband. To chain 1 extra, so you have 41 in total. And then in the second chain from the hook, which is this one, this is the first one, this is the second, we are going to make 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Okay, that's round 1. We are going to chain 1 and turn our work, and now we are going to make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. 1, 2, and then 2 single crochets in the second stitch. 1, 2, and now you have 4 stitches. Now we are increasing. We are going to chain 1 for round 3 and turn, and we are going to make 2 single crochet, like single crochet increase in the first one. 1, 2, in the same stitch. We are going single crochet in the next one, and then single crochet in the next one, 1 single crochet, and then increase in the last one. So we increase in the very first stitch and the very last stitch. To increase, you put 2 single crochets in the same stitch. You chain 1 and turn. And for round 4, we are going to make single crochet increase in the very first stitch, and then we are going to single crochet in each stitch all the way till the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th one, don't miss this one, okay? In the 5th one, we are going to make an increase. Okay, it's really hard to reach, but be patient. So 1 and then 2 in the same spot. That's row 4, and this, like, you can see that your work's starting to form. That's what we want. I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and for round 5 we are going to increase in the very first stitch again. So 2, we are going to crochet in every single stitch all the way till the end. 6, and in the 7th one we are going to increase. If you are a beginner or the yarn is too fluffy for you, make sure to count your stitches or place a stitch marker, whatever helps you. Okay, and then for round 6 we are going to chain 1 and do the same thing, increase in this first one, and then double single crochet all the way till the end, leaving like the last stitch. 8, and in the 9th one we are going to do an increase, which is 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So here it's going to depend on how big or how small or how wide you want your headband to be. You keep increasing from the first stitch and the last stitch and single crochet all the way to increase. Make it as big as you want or as small as you want. You want to stop here, you can stop. If you want to add, you can add. I am going to add one more row of increasing in the first stitch and the last stitch and single crocheting all the way. But if you want to add more to make it like big. So we're done with the increases, and now we are going to go to the fun part, which is the star stitch. And I'm here where I ended with an increase, and I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm so sorry, please bear with me because of the yarn. You might not see well, but I'll try my best. Okay, so this is my first loop from the hook. This one, you see it? Ignore it. This is my second loop from the hook. We are going to insert there, okay? And pull up a loop. Just like that, you have 2 loops on your hook. Now this is my third loop from my hook. The one under where we just put the yarn. We are going to insert, the hook, and pull up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to turn my work like this. Okay, and this is my first stitch. You see it? This is the first stitch. I'm going to insert, pull up a loop. I have 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to insert in the next one and pull up a loop, and I have 5 loops on my hook, and I'm going to insert on the third one and pull up a loop, and now I have 6 loops on my hook. Once you have 6 loops on your hook, you are going to yarn over and pull through all of them. Just like that. Okay? And now I'm going to make a chain. And that's we're starting already to shape the stars. Okay, to make the next star, the next stitch, we are going to insert our hook here in that eye or circle and pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook. We just put our loop in here in that hole or eye or whatever, and now we're going to put our hook here to pull up this loop. Okay, so I'm going to insert. It's a little hard to do, but be patient. It's going to be worth it, I promise. Insert, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook. Now you see this one, this loop over here, this stitch is where all of this happening. This is where we pulled all our loops. The last stitch, that literally the stitch is sitting on it. We are going to insert there and pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook. We are going to insert in the next stitch over here. This is more easy to see. Okay, and in the next one and pull up. Now you have 6 loops on your hook. Okay, once you have 6 loops on your hook, you pull all the yarn and chain. Okay. We're going to do this again. Insert 1 and pull up a loop. Insert 2 in this odd stitch and pull up a loop. Okay, insert here and pull up a loop. Insert in the next one and pull up a loop, and in the next one and pull up a loop. 6 loops on your hook means you're done. Okay, pull through all of them and make a stitch. I'm going to do this with counting. Okay, I feel like counting is easier than counting the loops on your hook. I think it's easier to count the stitches. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all of them and stitch. And I'm going to do this one more time or 2 more times. This is how we are going to end this one. We have only 1 stitch left at the end. this is what we're going to do. We are going to insert in that eye. Okay, it's going to be a bit different. You have 2 loops, and then you go straight to that last stitch and insert and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. It's basically like doing half double crochet, half star. And that's it. Your first row of star stitch is done. For the second row of star stitch, we are going to chain 1, turn our work. You see how the first one is a half double crochet? You are going to make half double crochet on top of that. Okay, you see all those eyes that we made earlier? We are going to be working in there. I know it's really hard to see with this yarn, but we are going to be working in these like holes. You'll like, it's easy to see. Not easy to see, but it's easy to feel. My first hole, my first eye, and I'm going to put 2 half double crochets inside there. So 1, 2. Is going to help really finish the star. Okay, I have my second whole eye, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to put 2 half double crochets in it, and you keep doing that until you put 2 half double crochets in all of those star eyes, and I'll meet you at the end. I put 2 half double crochets in all of the eyes, and now I'm at the end, and there is this very last stitch. We are going to make 1 half double crochet over there. So this is the back of the work. We're going to flip it, and you can actually see it. I know you can't really see it very well with this with this yarn, but you still can see it. It still look beautiful. And I'm going to do this with you one more time, and then it's going to be like repeat until you have the size that you desire. So let me show you one more time. So we're done with the half double crochet row with our first row of star stitch, and then we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. In the second loop from our hook, this one, we are going to insert and pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook. In the next one, you are going to insert and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, and then we are going to turn our work, and we are going to the first stitch and inserting and pull up a loop. And then we are going to the next stitch, inserting and pull up a loop. And then we go to the third stitch, inserting and pull up a loop. You have 6 loops on your hook. You are going to yarn over and pull through all of them, and then make a stitch, or I don't know what you call this. Make a stitch. Now we are going to do insert in that eye, pull up a loop, insert in this odd stitch, pull up a loop, insert in this stitch that the star stitch is sitting on, and pull up a loop, and then in the next one, and you have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all of them, and make a stitch. Okay, so 1 is here, 2 is this odd stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. And you yarn over and pull through all of them. Ah, putain! Yay, I saved it. Okay, and then make a stitch, and you do it again, and you keep doing that all the way till the end, and I'll show you again how we do it at the end. So I made my last star stitch, make a stitch. I have 1 stitch left. I'm going to insert in the eye of the star and pull up a loop, and then I go to the last stitch, insert and pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 3 of them, chain one and turn. I'm going to half double crochet in the very first stitch. We start working on these star eyes, and we make 2 half double crochets in each of those star eyes, holes, loops, whatever you want to call them. As long as you put 2 half double crochet in each one to form beautiful stars. And I'm at my last star eye. I'm going to make 2 half double crochets and then 1 half double crochet in the very last stitch. And voila, this is your second star row finish. It looks, keep going until you have the length that you want, the length that you need. I'll show you how much I made, how many rows I made, and yeah, keep going. After you work as many as you want and as many rows as you want. I'm making this for an adult, so I made 12 rows or 13 of star stitch. The star stitch I consider 2 rows 1 row, because 2 rows form 1, and you see how they are like formed, you can see them. So that's how I count this as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So I made 13 stitches, 13 rows of star stitch. This is for an adult. If you wanted to make it for a child or for someone with a smaller head, you just do less. You just do less rows of the star stitch. So now what we're going to do is do this part on the other side with chain 1 and turn, and we are going to single crochet like till the end. You just make a single crochet in each stitch. We made a single crochet row, and it's 16 stitches from the star stitch. So that's row number 1 after the star stitch. And now we are going to do row number 2 after the star stitch. We are going to chain 1 and turn, and now we are going to start decreasing. We are going to make a single crochet decrease in these first 2 stitches. So insert, pull up a loop, and then insert in the next one and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. You go into yarn over and pull through all of them. That's our first single crochet decrease. And then we are going to crochet in the next like stitches here until we have only 2 left at the end. Okay, 1 2. Okay, now I'm at the end. I have this stitch right here, and don't forget about this like hidden weird awkward stitch. So we are going to make a single crochet decrease in those 2, just like how we did in the beginning. 3 loops on the hook and pull through 3 of them, and that's the start of our decreasing. And now for row 3 after the star stitch, we are going to chain 1 and turn, and we are going to decrease in these first 2 stitches again. We are going to insert, pull up a loop, insert in the next one, and pull up a loop and pull through those 3 loops. And now we are going to single crochet until we have 2 stitches left. I made 10 single crochets, and now I'm going to single crochet decrease at the end, insert, pull up a loop, then insert in the next one and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all of them, chain 1 and turn. And now we are going to make a single crochet decrease in the first one. You should know how to do it by now. And now we are going to single crochet in the next 8 stitches. After you single crochet in your 8 stitches, you are going to single crochet decrease in these last 2 stitches over here. So insert, pull up, insert, pull up, and pull through all of them. And you should have 10 stitches in this row. And now we're going to chain 1 and turn. And now we make the 5th row from the star stitch. We are going, as usual, start with a single crochet decrease. And then we are going to single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Now we single crochet decrease these last 2 stitches. chain one and turn, and we are going to single crochet decrease in these 2 stitches. I think you get it by now. We're just gonna keep doing this until we have 1 single crochet or 2. Okay, these 4 stitches we are going to single crochet decrease here and single crochet decrease here. So single crochet decrease in the first one, and then single crochet decrease in the next one, and that leave us with 2 single crochets. Okay, we are going to chain 1 and turn, and we are going to make 1 single crochet decrease in those 2 last stitches we have, and voila, to chain 40 and make the circle at the end. Make sure you count so it matches the other side. Okay, I made my 40 stitches, and now we are going to make that circle. 3, 4, so we have 4 stitches on our hook, and in the fourth chain from your hook you are going to insert, pull up a loop, and make a slip stitch. I'm going to chain 1 and try to make 6 single crochets in this circle over here, and slip stitch at the very stitch that you made, at the very single crochet that you made, slip stitch, and that's it. Cut your yarn, weave in your ends. Okay, this is how our work look like. It looks so cute and beautiful, and it's going to keep you so warm and fuzzy in the winter. I can't wait to try this. I am not sure if I want to wear it or I want to gift it. So I hope you try this, and I hope you like the tutorial. And if you have any questions, please let me know, leave a comment, and let me know if you try it. Thank you. Bye.